Let's continue in our pursuit to analyze Google PPC campaign data. The first relationship we have to visualize is between the ad group, ad headline, and budget. And what are the impact on the KPIs? First, let me check the ad groups and ad headlines I have in my ad. I use the value counts function for this. So I have three ad groups: franchisee in Pune, franchisee in Mumbai, chicken franchisee Pune. So I'm assuming that these ad groups contain keywords related to the name of these ad groups. And these are the headlines: minimum investment and maximum profit, number one franchisee opportunity, own franchisee in Maharashtra, and so on. Now let's plot the generic view first. On the x-axis, I have the ad headline, and on the y-axis, I have the measures of all the KPIs. The first graph is between ad headline and amount spent. We can clearly make out that about 70% of the amount has been spent on the first two ad headlines. Clicks seem to be in line with the amount spent, but it is far less for the second headline as it was expected. Second and third shows good engagement, that is CTR. Profitable franchisee in Pune has the lowest CPC. Again, as we are analyzing ad headlines, I will not look at conversion and conversion related metrics because the objective of ad headline is to generate end users curiosity and motivate him to click the ad. Its objective finishes there. Conversions have a heavy dependency on other factors but not headlines. So the insights that I get from this view is that minimum investment and maximum profit, and number one franchisee opportunity are the best ad headlines as they have the best CTR. Profitable franchisee in Pune and profitable franchisee in Mumbai also have good potential. Let me note this down in my insights sheet. I'm using the same Excel file. I have made a separate tab of PPC insights for this. Let's see the granular view now. The first ad group is franchisee in Pune. Most of the amount has been spent by the first two ad headlines, but clicks for the second one is a bit less. All have decent CTR, but these three stand out. Coming to average cost per click, these two have the best CPC. So the basis on which we decide the best performing headline is that it should have a high CTR and it should have a low CPC. So when I apply this criteria, I see that profitable franchisee in Pune has a high CTR and a low CPC. So let me note this down. The next ad group is franchisee in Mumbai. Last two headlines have the maximum amount spent, also the clicks, but CTR for minimum investment and maximum profit has been exceptional. Checking the CPC, the last two stand out again. So these two are the best performing ones. You can notice that both of them have Mumbai mentioned in them. And the ad group also uses Mumbai specific keywords. So this gives us an insight that people connect better if we use the respective city name in ad headlines. I will also add minimum investment and maximum profit to this list because it has a good CTR and thus has a good potential. Let me note this down. The third ad group is Chicken Franchisee Pune. But if you see, it has a very less amount spent. So the insights we will get will not be accurate. Hence, we drop this from the analysis. Let's come to the next analysis. of ad groups and keyword match types. First, plot the generic view. In this, I can see that phrase match keywords perform best, followed by the exact match. Let me add this to my insight sheet. Let's plot the granular view now. The first ad group is franchisee in Pune. So phrase match has the maximum budget spent, followed by exact match. However, exact match got more number of clicks than phrase match. The CTR is also better, the CPC is less, and conversions are more. So exact match type wins hands down here. For this particular ad group, we should increase bid for the exact match type keywords being used. Let's note this. Come to the next ad group, that is franchisee in Mumbai. Scrolling down, it is evident that phrase match is the only performing match type in this ad group. Let's add this to our insight sheet. So we have completed the first analysis, that is the effect of ad group and ad headline. Let's move to the second dataset of day and time. In this section, we will be doing two analyses. Impact of time slot, ad group and budget. This shall answer questions like which time slot is the best for each ad group. Second would be the day of week and ad group analysis. This shall answer questions like which day of the week is best for each ad group. For this analysis, I will be using the PPC analysis day of week Python file. It is located within the day and time slot folder. We move directly to the relationship visualization as the rest of the process is same as earlier. The first analysis involves time slots. So first, sort data basis the time slots. Now, let's plot the graphs. From the graphs, we can see that 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. and 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. has the maximum share in amount spent. Same figures are replicated in the clicks. CTR for 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. is exceptionally high, but this has to be ignored because of the minuscule amount spent here. So, morning 7 to 10 a.m. and late night 12 to 4 a.m. has a good CTR. CPC is the least in the night 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. slot, while conversions are maximum in the late night 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. slot. So 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. is my best slot. Let me add this to my insights. Let's move to the granular view wherein we'll analyze each ad group basis the time slot. So the first ad group is franchisee in Mumbai. 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., that is the morning to noon slot, has the maximum amount spent. Clicks follow the same pattern. However, CTR is highest for 4 a.m. to 7 a.m., but that is to be ignored again due to the less amount spent. Morning 7 to 10 a.m. and late night 12 to 4 a.m. has shown good CTR. CPC is least during afternoon and night slots. Maximum conversions happen from 1 to 5 p.m. 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., the slot with the maximum amount spent has very few conversions. So we can see that we are wasting our budget here. We need to decrease our bid here. Also, the two morning slots, 4 a.m. to 7 a.m., 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., has not resulted even in a single conversion. So we need to reduce our bid significantly here. From the CPA graph, it becomes even more evident. Lowest CPA is between 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. slot, which is our best slot for this ad group. It also has the highest conversion rate. Let us note this down. The next ad group to be analyzed would be the last one, franchisee in Pune. So 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. far exceeds the rest of the time slots in terms of amount spent. Clicks also tell the same story. CTR, however, is highest for the 4 to 7 a.m. slot, but that is to be ignored due to less amount spent. Morning 7 to 10 a.m. and late night 12 to 4 a.m. has shown good CTR. CPC is the least during the two night slots. Conversions happen in the morning noon slot of 10 to 1 p.m., followed by evening and night slots. 1 to 5 p.m., the slot with the maximum amount spent has the least conversions. So again, we know that we are wasting our budget here. We need to decrease our bid. We can do a deep dive if AdWords is linked with Google Analytics. I can make a custom segment of this audience and do analysis of what went wrong. Same goes for the 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. slot. No conversion happened. Conversion rate is the best for 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. slot. Let me sum up all these insights and note it in the Excel sheet. Moving ahead, we'll perform analysis with day of the week. Let me sort the data and now let's plot the generic view. So the first 3 days of the week have the maximum amount spent. Clicks are a little bit less on Tuesday and Wednesday. CTR is best on Saturday. Both Saturday and Sunday have the lowest CPC. Maximum conversions happen on Monday and Friday. Also, they have the best conversion rate. Let's note this. Now, plot the granular view. The first ad group to be considered is franchisee in Pune. Almost the same spread of budget across days. Sunday has an additional amount spent as compared to the rest of the days. Clicks represent the same image. CTR is also similar across days of the week. Saturday does have the best out of the lot. Coming to CPC, Tuesday has the highest CPC. Let's see whether it is helpful in conversion or not. So you see, Tuesday doesn't have adequate conversions compared to the high CPC that we are paying for this. So we need to substantially lower our bid on Tuesday. Wednesday and Friday are the top performers. If you look at Monday and Thursday, they also have a high CPC, but the conversions are not up to the mark. Hence, decrease the bids here as well. Let's note this. The next ad group is franchisee in Mumbai. All days have similar amount spent except Thursday, where it is the lowest. Coming to clicks, although Monday and Wednesday had less amount spent than Tuesday, but the number of clicks is almost equal. CTR is highest for Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. Lowest CPC on Monday and Sunday. Coming to conversions, Monday has the maximum conversions followed by Friday. Same goes for the conversion rate as well. So Wednesday and Thursday have performed poorly, not even a single conversion. All amounts spent on these days went wasted. So we decrease our bids substantially here. Tuesday also needs reduction in the bids. Let's note this down. So with this, we come to the end of this video. See you in the next module.